Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna discuss the eighth part of our case study, which is inserting group policies. So it's just the same. We're just gonna create a new GPO for each of the departments. So there, then we have each department has its own wallpaper, creative access, and security, and other stuff that we need to do. So first is need to add a wallpaper. What someone see is part. Lead just go to pictures, then um, go to Windows components, then you need to be enabled, go to local list, then go to desktop wallpaper. Afterwards change it to facade wallpaper again. Then we can rename it if you want. And go to add CAD wallpaper and admin wallpaper. So moving on, you can change it to ACAD wallpaper, academic wallpaper, with access to both panel. And we're gonna do um, the other progression, the other settings for the users. There we have offline files. We're gonna do this per department, by the way, with access, access process list. We'll change it to network security. There we go. Network security. We need to read, turn off applications. Enable this per department. Security. Go to user rights. You need to take the network access and then turn it off, enable it so you can store to the LAN and such. No panel enabled. Auto restart the plugin. Auto restart. There's update. To turn that off because it's already inside there. Said. Then need to move access to storages. Seen earlier. Then turn off restore checkpoints. There you go, we have a lot of characters, password age. So it needs to be 42 days for the password age to be resetted. Then 41 days for the other stuff. Moving on. We need to define the settings again. We need 30 minutes to block out duration of each account if it's not inserting. So that's one. Roads network. Start menu. Features icon from start menu. You'll log off. Go to upgrade decorations. Need to turn off Task Manager. Then customize title buttons. Access to LAN connection. Then there you go. So we need to do it all over again for other stuff, for the other departments, other with their own settings. So this will be properly defined. It will be done per department again. Go. So we're just gonna do it one by one till it is done. Here we go. Configuration. So it's just configuration. Edit configuration. Event access. Now it's configured. We need to do GPU update slash force for the update the policy. Then now it's done. The user policy is now changed and will be considered later on.